National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. NEET UG 2025 to 2026 syllabus are:
The National Medical Commission, NMC, has officially released the updated syllabus for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, NEET, UG 2025. National Testing Agency. This syllabus encompasses topics from physics, chemistry, and biology, aligning with the NCERT curriculum for classes 11 and 12. Key highlights of the NEET UG 2025 syllabus. Physics. Class 11 topics: physical world and measurement. Kinematics. Laws of motion, work, energy, and power. Motion of system of particles and rigid body. Gravitation. Properties of bulk matter. Thermodynamics. Behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory. Oscillations and waves.
Class 12 topics: electrostatics, current, electricity, magnetic effects of current and magnetism. Electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, electromagnetic waves. Optics, dual nature of matter and radiation, atoms and nuclear electronic devices. Chemistry. Class 11. Topics: some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure. States of matter, gases and liquids, thermodynamics, equilibrium, redox reactions, hydrogen S-block element, alkali and alkaline earth metals, some p-block elements, organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, hydrocarbons, environmental chemistry. Class 12. Topics: solid-state solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, general principles and processes of isolation of elements, p-block elements, d and f-block elements, coordination compounds, haloalkanes and halarenes, alcohols, phenols and etheraldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, organic compounds, containing nitrogen biomolecules, polymers chemistry in everyday life. Biology Class 11. Topics: diversity in living world, structural organization in animals and plants, cell structure and function, plant physiology, human physiology. Class 12. Topics: reproduction, genetics and evolution biology and human welfare biotechnology and its applications, ecology and environment. It's essential for aspirants to thoroughly review this updated syllabus to ensure comprehensive preparation for the NEET UG 2025 examination. The detailed syllabus is available on the NMC's official website. Like, subscribe this channel to remain updated with upcoming NEET and other medical exams, and also get practice paper EU. Thank you and goodbye.